I'm gonna post a video with the brain rot. It's because 2026 is coming. Because the great reset is gonna be here. I said to my cousin friends to make some brain rot videos because we need that. We really need that. I love the 2025 brain rot. If you don't do it, all the brains will be gone forever and ever. So the brain rot are gonna die. Just like chala chala, orkalala orkala, babargila karadila, babapili kusini, giraffe chilesta, pipi potato, pipi strawberry. It will be gone. Spread this word. Spread this video everywhere. Your friends, your cousin, your brother, sister, your mom, your dad. Just do it, please. And also your friends. Bye.